Biosanitation or probiotic cleaning is the ultimate green cleaning method. It's much more effective than chemical-only cleaning in areas with chronic moisture and organic debris, like food residues, grease, and waste. It uses the power of natural beneficial microbes to digest organic matter and eliminate odors. And why is this important? Typical disinfectants kill bacteria, but don't do anything to eliminate the food particles and organic matter that builds up in cracks, crevices, drains, and other areas. Standard cleaners tend to flow over the layers of organic debris, killing exposed bacteria on the surface, but they can't penetrate the thick, slimy layer of scum and grease. So basically, typical cleaners might disinfect the surface of the scum, but it's still there. The natural technology used in InVade biosanitation products consists of 6 specific strains of microbes, plus our proprietary natural citrus oil. These microbes actually digest proteins, as well as fats, oils, and grease, otherwise known as fog, carbohydrates, including sugars, cellulose, urea, and phosphates. The microbial spores activate and begin to produce colonies of beneficial bacteria when they contact moisture and have an adequate food source, in this case, the organic debris. Sanitation measures are a key component of a successful IPM program. Biosanitation is the most effective way to thoroughly clean and eliminate organic buildup and nasty odors in an environment with chronic moisture and organic debris. Rockwell's InVade line is the industry's leading biosanitation product range. InVade products are not pesticides, they are cleaning agents. These probiotic cleaners are particularly useful in commercial kitchens and food processing areas, as well as other scumming areas like dumpsters and pads, restrooms, garbage areas, grease pits, public showers, kennels, and on animal droppings. They're also beneficial in residential homes for garbage disposals, drains, AC drip lines, refrigerator trays, and anywhere else moisture and organic matter can accumulate. InVade products all work the same way. They all use the same 6 strains of microbes along with our proprietary natural citrus oil. But there are different formulations depending on what you are trying to accomplish and where you are going to use these products. It's worth noting that the microbes in the InVade products are all on the FDA's GRAS list, also known as the Generally Recognized as Safe list. InVade products contain no harsh chemicals or fumes and will not harm septic systems or municipal water treatment operations.